Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing my own haircut. Yes, you heard me, my own haircut. I don't know what I'm doing, so let's get started. So disclosure, you guys know I am not a hairstylist. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just want to do this and I want to show you guys, and I have no idea what I'm going to do with my hair either, so that's why you see my face like right now that I'm confused. And yes, I'm bracing myself because, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to figure out a way of doing this. So I've seen videos where you have to part your hair in the middle and then part sections. So I didn't know if big sections, little sections, if I was supposed to have my hair as is, like curly already, or basically just how I had it dry and just brushed out. So as you will see, I'm trying to section out my hair to focus on one side, and from there I'm just basically grabbing parts of my hair and I'm gonna start cutting. At this part, I'm just bracing myself for what's about to come. I already know that I'm going to cut my hair regardless, but I just don't know how it's going to come out. So all I'm trying to do is get in that mindset of, oh, you can do this. It's just hair. Hair will grow back. Whatever. It is what it is. I'm just basically telling myself, whatever, just do it. So then I just start. And I start basically, I don't know what this move is called. I don't even know if people do this. I'm just basically cutting my hair little by little, just with that movement from top to bottom. And I'm just trying to see how I did it and how I landed. And right now, I already knew I messed up, so there's no going back, just moving forward. So that's what I'm doing. All I'm trying to do here is just make sure that I'm going to cut it where I want it. I try to do that little movement again, but then I see it kind of get stuck. And I start noticing whether it's my hair or it's the scissors. And I'm kind of thinking it's the scissors. So then I start getting a little frustrated because my hair is not cutting. And when it's cutting in sections that I didn't want it to cut. So it basically made it like kind of like un estropajo. You guys know, like those Mexican kind of like scrub daddies, but it's like the Mexican version. It's like a little broom. Yeah, my hair felt like that. So all I'm doing is just sectioning my hair again. I saw Mains by Mel say that you have to put your comb there, and wherever it like has that space, that's where you start basically getting your hair and cutting it. So as you can tell, I'm like not caring anymore, and I of course changed scissors, and that's when I started noticing that one end was shorter than the other and it's not the same length. So now I'm kind of thinking, oh, I really messed it up. So my technique here is that you grab it in a bunch, like if you're grabbing flowers, and you're twisting it, kind of like the Taco Bell twisties, and then you just start cutting your hair like you just don't care. No, guys, I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going with the flow. I really don't know. I'm trying to, I guess, even it out, and then it kind of starts working, but at the same time it doesn't. So I'm just kind of basing myself off from what I see. And that's when I realized, oh wait, I cut it way too short, because once it dries, my hair is curly and it's gonna bounce up. So it's not gonna look like I have it there, it's gonna bounce up. So then again, you see me sectioning my hair again and trying to do that. I don't even want to call it a technique, because it's not a technique. Kind of like shaving my hair off a little bit. I kind of look like when I was a teenager, kind of like the emo face that I had. I used to try and do my hair like that. Here you can just see that I'm thinking that I'm Edward Scissorhands and just going crazy with those scissors. So this is the final product, guys. What do you guys think? I knew I messed up. I don't even know what to do with my hair now. But like I said, it'll grow back. I mean, it is what it is. It's what I could do. I wanted to change, and I definitely got to change. It wasn't what I wanted, but it kind of grew on me. Thank you so much. Please give this video a like. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. And until next time, bye guys.